right now, new solar plants, Caleb, Kibet, go 2.7, which means that solar prices have gone down nearly by 3 times since 2015. So 2015 to date, 2015, solar prices by more than maratatu.
3 times.
Telling you that a small business today, there is no reason at all why a small business today cannot install solar, because the savings are very, 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 very high. Like I gave you that example, 1 megawatt, they will save 40 million shillings per year, but we may spend about 100 million shillings. But for small systems, come a small home, like a home back at home, it can be 300,000, 350,000 shillings. But if it pays back within 3 years, you realize if the life of the asset is 20 years, and you've already paid back in 3 years, then you have more than 20 years of useful life for the solar plant. So pick up Kolenji, we ask that the government can continue to advance electrification right now.